Danny, what you doing now?
I'm trying to work out the script for my first episode, for my new show. So I'm just writing down some ideas.
So how's it going? Very good?
It's going very well. I feel very confident, full of inspiration and desire to show the world what we got. And I'm 100% sure it's going to be amazing.
So we're going to make a better world,
make a better world through this camera lens. That's how it all starts here. It all starts here with pen and paper.
Можешь, Юрий, ну почему мы здесь? Мы тоже не можем дрон там идти. Не можем посмотреть дроном. You can at least go around. Well, we found the cube, but we still haven't found the reason for a tripod though.
Yeah,
so,
but look, you should always
still
prepare.
looking for that. We'll look into that. I'll keep you posted as soon as we find the reason.
You never know, man. It's better be prepared, man. And believe me, it's not the first time. That's gonna be happen now always with us, brother. Lots of fucking shit carrying on, man. Benjamin, thank you very much for the fucking beautiful place you found, man.
Sick place.